Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to check IMEI number on iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your phone's dialer, and after this dial star hash 06 hash. When you dial this code, you can see your phone's EMI number. And if we talk about another way, this is go to your settings, and after when you tap on settings, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here tap on general. When you tap on general, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here tap on about. When you tap on about, you can see all your all your mobile phones information like serial number, AMI number, version, etc, etc. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.